Hello students, hope you are all right and must be watching the videos being posted by our school and completing your worksheet, and I wish you happy Mother's Day to all of you, and your mother makes every moment special for you, so today you are also supposed to make this day special for your mother. Okay, let's start our today's lesson, that is block 2 and lesson plan 2, direct and indirect speech, and you will be able to change the direct speech into indirect speech by changing the tenses correctly. Okay students, tell me, have you ever read a comic पढ़ी है आपने कोई? What kind of speech is given in the speech bubbles about a character? और जिनमें जो speech bubbles बने होते हैं उसमें किस टाइप की speech दी हुई होती है? The dialogue given above a character in the speech bubble in a comic is an example of direct speech, and these are the words that are directly spoken by the characters to the listeners. तो क्या होता है, जो स्पीच बबल्स बने हुए होते हैं कि राम ने क्या बोला, श्याम ने क्या बोला, चिंटू ने क्या बोला, तो ये लाइंस होती हैं स्पोकन बाय द करेक्टर, और वो जो सुन लाइक राम इज सेइंग व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, तो ये लाइन राम बोल रहा है. श्याम सेज आई एम प्लेइंग लूडो, तो ये लाइन श्याम बोल रहा है. दीज आर द लाइन्स स्पोकन बाय द character. So these are the examples of direct speech. Today we will observe the lines of dialogues between the characters in the story. आज हम देखेंगे किस तरह से करेक्टर्स डायलॉग्स बोलते हैं. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक. यू कैन read in the book like Lashkov says, kind sir, have pity, turn your attention to this poor hungry man. For 3 days it's been a year now that I have had nothing to do. So जैसे कि लश्कोव कह रहा है उससे कि सर मैंने 3 दिनों से कुछ नहीं खाया है, मेरी तरफ थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. अब इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कैसे चेंज करेंगे इसको. लश्कोव बैक स्कॉट्स हाउस, ने उसको बैक किया टू हैव पिटी and to turn his attention to the poor hungry man. For 3 days he has had nothing to eat. For 8 years he was a village school teacher and was removed from his position. It had been a year that he has had nothing to do. So ये indirect speech में हमने change कर दिया. So now what is the difference between the direct and indirect speech? The difference between direct and indirect speech is direct speech gives the exact word of a person and it is originally spoken by the person. ये बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट वर्ड्स होते हैं. लाइक कई बार आपके फ्रेंड ने आपको बोला कि मैं स्कूल नहीं आऊँगा, सो उसने अपने लिए आई यूज़ किया. योर फ्रेंड सेड दैट आई विल नॉट कम टू स्कूल. बट अगर आप ये बात टीचर को बताओगे तो आप इसको चेंज कर दोगे. आप ये नहीं बोलोगे आई विल नॉट कम टू स्कूल, यू विल से दैट मैम राम सेड दैट ही वुड नॉट कम टू स्कूल. तो आपने आई को ही में चेंज कर दिया, तो वो इनडायरेक्ट हो गया यहाँ पे. And indirect speech is what the listener report to a third person about what he heard the speaker say. Exactly जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि राम said I will not come to school today, तो आप ये नहीं बोलोगे टीचर को कि I will not come to school today. आप you will say that when राम said that he would not come to school today. तो आपने change कर दिया यहाँ पे by changing in pronouns, tenses, places and times of expressions. So there are some rules to change the direct voice in the indirect sentences, like this changes into that, these changes into those, here changes into there, and now changes into then, thus changes into so, yesterday changes into the day before, or you can say the previous day, last night changes into the night before, yeah, the previous night, today changes into that day, ago changes into before, tomorrow changes into the next day, last week changes into the previous week, next week changes into the following week, and first form changes into second form changes into had plus third form, ismr turns into was were turns into had been, has have changes into had, and had no change. And if in the dialogue tag there is a verb says, say, will say, tell, will tell, then the tense of the dialogue sentence will not change. If there is a universal truth, if there is a habit, the tense will not change. Said to change into told, says to change into tells to, say change into say that. So there are some basic rules. If you keep the rules in mind, you can easily change the direct sentences into indirect sentences. Will changes into would, can is changes into could, shall changes into should. Now let's have a look at S2 at page number 14. Question 1. Write DS next to sentence in direct speech and IS before sentence in indirect speech. जो direct speech है वहाँ पे आपको DS लिखना है, जो indirect speech है वहाँ पे आपको IS लिखना है. So let's see. Rashmi said, I cannot take the test today as I am not feeling well. So रश्मि ने बोला है, ये रश्मि के ही एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स हैं, आई यूज़ कर रही है वो, सो इट इज़ डायरेक्ट स्पीच, DS लिखेंगे यहाँ. बी, संगीता टोल्ड हर फ्रेंड दैट शी वॉज गोइंग टू वॉच अ मूवी दैट डे. अब यहाँ पे प्रोनाउन चेंज हो गया है, शी, सो यहाँ पे IS आएगा. संगीता सेड आई फ्रैक्चर्ड माई आर्म यस्टरडे. संगीता इज यूजिंग आई फॉर हर, सो इट इज़ डायरेक्ट स्पीच. D part direct speech, E part indirect speech. Now question 2, change the sentence from direct into indirect speech for present, past and future tense. Tom asked me what will you do for a living when you grow up. So इसमें आप क्या करोगे, कैसे चेंज करोगे. Tom asked me what I would do for a living when I grow up. So will change हो गया would में. Tom क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, Tom asked me what, अब मुझसे पूछ रहा है what I would do for a living when I grow up. Mother asked him, are you coming home tonight? So this is a question. Mother asked him if he was coming home tonight. Him से पूछा है तो if he was coming at night. The teacher said I will finish the chapter by tomorrow. So इसमें क्या करेंगे, the teacher said that she would, teacher के लिए she यूज़ किया है, she would finish the chapter by the next day. So now look at the question 3. Change the dialogue given in the comic strip into indirect sentence. Come on, Bonnie, let's go. Benny, it looks too dangerous. Don't forget we are fearless. Gridges, okay, but this is against my better judgment. Here we go, hang on. Bonnie is right. It does look so dangerous here. So what you can do, Benny asked Bonnie to hurry up and come with him. Bonnie told Benny that it looked so dangerous. Benny reminded Bonnie that they were fearless creatures. Bonnie agreed but still felt that it was against the better judgment. Benny got into the raft and started rowing, advising Bonnie to hang on. But instead of holding on the raft, Benny held on the tree branch hanging over the water. As Bonnie is pulled ahead by the water, Bonnie looked on and he thought to himself that Bonnie was right. That looked too dangerous indeed. I hope you can understand the topic very well. And in the previous classes, you have also done direct and indirect speeches, 5th, 6th and 7th. You have done this very well. So you can read the grammar book also for better understanding. Hope you can do it. So you have to complete your S2. Thank you. Have a nice day.